Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you all how to achieve this kind of makeup look, which is so glossy, so beautiful, and this can be done on your Valentine's Day as well. Just a pop of color and this looks so beautiful. So let's begin. Now quickly I'm gonna use my under eye cream. This is from the brand TNW. This is an under eye cream. This I've been trying from a week's time and actually enjoying it. I'm liking the result. It has the goodness of potato, almonds and papaya. Perfect for dark circles, fine lines and puffy eyes. Guys, I was searching from such a long time a good under eye cream with this kind of roller massager in it, and this is like an good product with all natural ingredients in it. Now as I'm doing this makeup for a daytime, I'm gonna mix my foundation and the sunscreen together. These days I'm enjoying this way of applying the foundation because daytime hai and I cannot layer up my makeup too much, like moisturizer, then the sunscreen, then this. Bahut zyada lagana sometimes becomes too boring, and this is how I started using. So I just mix my foundation. This is the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I'm in the shade 120 Classic Ivory, and the sunscreen which I'm using is from the brand Lakme. This is the Sun Expert, blocks up to 97% of UVB rays, and this is with PA/SPF 30++. Now to blend everything, I'm using this PAC brush. This is an foundation brush, and this brush is so amazing. It is in the number 252. And now blending is the key, so you need to blend everything all well. Just apply everything all well, and you all can already see there's so much of glow, and you are also protected from the sun rays. And now after this, I'm just cleaning my lips. I just removed the foundation, whatever was on my lips, and just applying this Wadi lip balm. I love the strawberry one, but I'm not that happy with this variant. And now this is a cream blush. I like to apply these kind of blushes these days. I am not a big fan of powder brushes anymore. I like the cream ones because they look more natural and stays for the whole day. And also, can you all see the difference very instantly that this just looks like your skin. It blends. It doesn't look powdery. It doesn't look chalky, or it might even not crack after some time. So this is anyways giving you a beautiful color and that perfect natural looking skin. Now I'll just do my eyebrows and be back. I'm using the Nykaa palette, and you all can already see there is so much of difference just after making your eyebrows. That is why I keep telling you all, defining your eyebrows make a lot big of difference. Now for the eyeshadow, I just want to use something bright today. As you can see that my sleeve has got a bit of mustard and yellow color. So I'm using this kind of yellow, kind of mustard color on my eyelid. I'm just gonna pick the color and apply it all over my eyelid. And yes, before you guys ask me, I would love to tell you all that I'm using the Aqua lens today in the shade brown. This is a kind of comfortable lens, but not that comfortable as O lens. But I wanted to try this brand because it is cheap and it is good for me to use just for the videos. But no, I was not that comfortable like O lens. But theek hai, just for few hours you can use this kind of lens. And now after blending the eyeshadow all well, I just picked that yellow color, and you all can already see this is looking so beautiful. And it is giving a pop of color which actually brightens and lifts the overall look. And this much of makeup is really good and enough for the daytime. I did not apply shimmer or gloss or anything else on my eyes. Just a beautiful color is more than enough. And now I'm gonna apply or layer up a good layer of mascara, and this is from the brand Essence. Guys, you all know that I love Essence mascaras. They are amazing. The formula is really good. I don't like mascaras where you have to layer up 2-3 times and actually get that effect. Can you already see the effect? That was just single coat. And my lashes are looking enough fuller and lengthier. I also like the Maybelline mascaras. They are one of the amazing mascaras. And guys, can you all see this effect? Just layering it up once or twice is more than enough, and you can get that fuller looking lashes. And now for the highlighter, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild highlighter. This is a beautiful highlighter. Can you all see this? It is so natural, blends into your skin so beautifully, and I don't know why I was not using it from such a long time. And today when I saw this, I was like, baby, you need to be on my cheeks today. And this is how it blends beautifully. You can already see the glow. It glows like a disco ball, and this looks very beautiful as it has no chunky glitters at all, and it is one of the beautiful highlighter I have used in my early days, and I'm loving it today because I'm using it after so many days. And oh my god, how did I miss this? Such a long time. Yes, like always, when it comes to highlighter, my hands doesn't stop. I don't know why, what happens to me. I feel like keep going on and on everywhere. I just want to have that beautiful glow whenever I'm turning my face around. I want to have that glow on my face. Yes, this is the time I feel like telling myself, bas kar re baba, bas kar, bahut ho gaya. And now after the glow, this is the lipstick time, and I'm using the beautiful lipstick from the brand MAC. This is the Meher lipstick, a perfect nude pink lipstick for me, keeping it very soft on my lips as my eyes is already having a good pop of color today. And now to set everything well, I'm using this Faces Canada. This is the all-time pro makeup fixer. This is a beautiful hydrating fixer. This keeps your makeup intact, refreshes, and gives you a non-sticky feel. Yes, fixing your makeup is very important. You do a mehnat of 20 minutes and then you see that your makeup is already getting off in between the day, and it doesn't look good, right? So you need to fix your makeup so that everything melts beautifully inside your skin and gives you that perfect glow for the whole day. And as it is a Valentine makeup look, you need to look gorgeous and beautiful. Keeping this kind of makeup tutorial very simple for Valentine's Day would help each girl to just self-groom themselves and look lovely. Just a pop of color on eyes, soft lips, and a glowing skin. And yes, happy Valentine's Day to all my subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, for so much of love and support. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. I love you all so much.